Today it's just me, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to code in Python. Today we'll just go over the basics and maybe a little bit of games. So first we need to learn how to print. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is print, parenthesis, quotation mark, and in our words we're going to say hello. And we want to close it. And if we run that real quick, always remember to save. I just need to do something, but there we go. Hello. And those end. So now that we've done that, we need to say something else. So let's print something. My name is Bob. So if we run that real quick, hello, my name is Bob. But we need a wait between them. So we need to do time.sleep in our time. But that won't work because we haven't imported our time yet. So if we import time, and then we can add a comment. You add comments by hashtagging time. So we're importing the time so we can sleep our system. Now we want them to talk. So instead of printing, we need to input. So if we input, what is your name? And that is inputted. So inputting means that we can type in. And it ends. So we need to set this with a variable. So how we are going to create a variable is first we type it out, name, and we're going to make it equal to the answer that we're doing. So then we can print out hi. Forgot the hi. But instead of ending with the parenthesis, we're going to space plus the variable name. And then we can close it out, making it where hello. So I type axolotl. Hi, axolotl. So in front of hi, we're going to add a space to make sure that doesn't happen. And I'll add a comment. So adding in name and hi. So after we do that, we can do our time.sleep. And we can turn this into a game. So we can say inputs. How are you doing? But what if we want it to be customizable? Well, first we have to make our variable. So I'll just call it v2. So we're going to use one of the most important scripts in the game. It's an if-then statement. So if our v2 variable is equal to, and you have to do equal twice in a row. So if it is equal to good, this sign can mean as or then. So by having it right here, that's telling it that script, those two scripts are in the same one script. So far, we have n of these normal scripts, and then of this is one script. If we enter this, all these words, that's one script, since we have the tab. So if v2 equals good, but we always have to quotation mark it, since it's saying we only want to use the one that only has one quotation mark, and we're going to say print amazing. And of course, if you want to do This is a tutorial for Python 3. I am using Mu Editor, but any source with Python 3 will work. So after we print amazing, what if v2, which stands for variable 2, is equal to bad, then we want to print feel better. Well, if we want to change how are you doing to how are you doing plus name plus a space plus colon, so they have someone to type, and space, that might look a little more professional. So by doing that, all we need to do is add a parentheses, one space right here, and then if we do that, and to end it off, we're just going to go 2 down to make it look more neat, and we're going to say, we're going to print goodbye plus name. And capitalization does matter in this, and then it's going to end the whole game. Make sure to untab when you get past these points, or it's going to count as the same script, which we do not want. Hello, my name is Bob. If we do have a problem, something will pop up and tell us. So let's say our name is Axolotl. Hi Axolotl, how are you doing, Axolotl? So we already found an error. How are you doing? Space. So now let's try. So how are you doing, Axolotl? So we're going to say good. And it says amazing. Goodbye, Axolotl. So we're going to add one space, and we're going to add a time.sleep. So you just have to go through that until we find it the perfect way. And here you go. Don't forget to save. And that is how you make a simple word game. See you out next time, guys, and peace.